Are you looking to buy a house this year, maybe next year, or in the future? Well, I discovered 8 different programs that are out there that can assist you with putting money down for a house, and it doesn't matter what state you're in, and I'm breaking them all down. So I created a presentation that's gonna guide you and show you the different programs that are out there. I'm gonna have the links in the description so you can click on it, check it out. First thing we're gonna be talking about is different key insights, okay? Now the different insights that are out there is based off of like most people in America. 75% of people are eligible for this qualifying aid, and $15,000, as you can see, is the average of maximum assistance that's available for the different programs. All right, now the first program we're going to be talking about is the Chenoa Fund. As you can see right here, this is the Chenoa Fund. So down payment assistant. So here's what we want to do is you can see the down payment assistance for qualifying borrowers with minimum credit score requirement is a 600 credit score. Now, if you're not at a 600 credit score, that's okay. We'll talk about it later because I'm going to show you the program that we have to offer. It's free. I want to show you if your credit score is not good enough, how we can help you get to a better credit score so you can qualify for a home, so you can qualify for different things out there. All right, no income limits. The Chenoa Fund Down Payment Assistance Program does not have income limits. All right, our impact on home buyers is basically going over the different programs. And basically you want to do now is just get started with this. So just click on get started. And then from there, you can go over it, check it out. But you'll fill out the information, the reform, so they can give you a so they can contact you. Okay, so just fill out your first name, last name, email, what state you're in, phone number, tell us who you are, company name, tell us more about your request. You know, I'm looking for more information about the down payment assistance program, and then you'll click on submit. Just wait. You know, they're probably going to give you a phone call. All right, so the next place we're going to be talking about right here is the Neighborhood Housing Fund. Okay, now with the Neighborhood Housing Fund, there are different requirements and different things you have to do, but let's go over the different let's go over the site. NHF down payment assistance highlights. Down payment assistance is available up to 5% of the mortgage loan amount. Assistance can be used towards down payment and or closing costs. There is no requirement that a borrower be a first-time home buyer to qualify. FICO score requirements and allowable debt to income ratio are flexible, right? DPA program features generous income limits higher than might be expected. FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional mortgage loan financing is available. Down payment assistance is available for both purchase and refinance of a primary residence, sponsored by NHF and available nationally through participating lenders. All right, so check out the different programs, how you can qualify. Just fill out the form. There are different there are other different programs, GSFA Platinum and Open Doors programs. You can go over this specific. Hold on, the GSFA down payment assistance program provide down payment and or closing cost assistance up to 7% of the loan amount specifically for borrowers purchasing or refinancing a primary residence in the state of California. So they got a specific program for California and different things going on. So you'll click on learn more. Now the GSFA energy efficiency financing, there's a program, and what we want to do is just click on this to see what they have going on. So to get access to the down payment assistance, you want to click on one of these different links. So like I said, the platinum, the opportunities, the recover, find a lender, right? So you just click on one of these programs out there, and then you'll actually sign up for one of these different programs. Okay, so I'll just click on give them a call, scan the link, and then give them a call. All right, now the next program we're going to be talking about, Bank of America has a program out there for you if you are with Bank of America, or if you want to check what they have to offer. So now with Bank of America, it's a little bit different, but let's talk about it. So Bank of America is committed to helping you thrive. The power of homeownership. Bank of America Community Homeownership Commitment Programs provide solutions for market income first-time home buyers, including affordable mortgage grant programs, resources, and expertise, right? Our down payment assistant is a resource to help search for programs you may be eligible for, including our American Homes Grant and Down Payment Grant Program. These grants are not a loan, so they do not need to be repaid. Many state and local organizations offer programs that can help you with the upfront cost of buying a home. Also, when combined with a low down payment mortgage, such as our 3% down payment mortgage, these programs can help make buying a home more affordable. So simply select your state to search for programs you may be eligible for, right? And connect with a lender specialist about our other down payment assistance and closing cost assistance options. So what we want to do is, of course, is find a program based off of your state. So here's an example. We'll pick a state, Florida. Now in Florida, there are different programs that Bank of America have to offer. So as you can see, this is based out of city of Boca. So we have this one. Now let's see, city of Clearwater, city of Bearfield Beach. They're different for Lauderdale, Lauderdale Lakes. Let me check to see if they have one for Orlando. So they have one for Orlando. You can check it out, maximum up to $45,000. Highlights, maximum up to $30,000 on this one. So there are different programs out there based on the city you're living in. So just scroll down, look for the city. And if you can't find the city, like I said, there are different programs out there besides Bank of America that help you with down payment assistance. So just check based on where you're living at. So the next place I want to talk about is Chase Grants. All right. Now with Chase, they have different programs as well as far as their home down payment assistance. So with Chase, let's talk about their grant and what they have to offer. So if you qualify in select areas across the country, our Chase Home Buy Grant provides $25,000 or $5,000 that's first applied to lower the interest rate, then apply to Chase fees and other fees. Remaining funds can be applied toward the down payment. All right. Guaranteed on time closing or get $5,000. We promise an on-time closing for eligible products in as soon as 3 weeks, or you'll get $5,000 if you qualify. Okay, find savings now. So you can check out the program, click on it, continue, and also give Chase a call to get more information if you need more information, if it's not available on the site. Okay, now let's talk about another place that you might like as well, another program, GNND Assistance Program. Okay, now with this specific program, it's called Good Neighbor Next Door, what it is and how to apply. So who qualifies for Good Neighbor Next Door? Among the criteria for eligibility, borrowers must certify that they plan to remain employed in their profession for at least 1 year after the closing date. Okay, so teachers, you must teach full-time for a state accredited public or private school, right? Law enforcement officers, firefighters, emergency medical technicians, all right? Additional Good Neighbor Next Door requirements, in addition to the occupation specific criteria, there are a few other requirements that apply to all participants in the Good Neighbor Next Door program. You can't be a past program participant. You don't need to be a first-time home buyer, but you can't have purchased or own a home in the past 12 months. The home you buy through this program must be your primary residence. You must live in the home for at least 3 years and certify your resident every year during this period. Sheesh. All right, they ain't playing. All right. Now, how the Good Neighbor Next Door program works. So just basically, 1, get pre-approved for a loan. Number 2, work with HUD registered real estate broker. Number 3, start looking for a home. 4, submit a bid. 5, close on your new home. And that's basically the pros and cons. It's basically telling you the different pros and cons of this specific program. So you can check it out, read it for yourself. I just wanted to highlight and go over the different things, okay? Now, all right, so the next program out there, most people don't like this bank, but they do have down payment assistance if you bank with Wells Fargo, okay? Check it out, conventional fixed rate, Dream Play, all right? Get $10,000 for your down payment and up to $5,000 for closing costs, right? So about $10,000 to $15,000, you could get $10,000 to use for your down payment with Home Buyer Assistance Grant And now remember, a grant is money that you don't pay back. The money never has to be repaid, as you can see, and the grant can be combined with other select programs. So you can use this and other programs that are out there for down payment assistance. Eligibility is based on location and income, so use a lookup tool-based tool to see if you can qualify. Dream plan closing costs, you could get up to $5,000 for closing costs with the Dream Plan Home Closing Cost Credit. You can see the credit for one-time closing costs like preceding and appraisal fees, and it can be combined with other select programs. Eligibility is based on location and income, so use the lookup tool base to see if you qualify. And then you'll fill out your address to see if you're qualified, and then start your search. Now, the next program we're going to be talking about is Freddie Mac. All right, so with Freddie Mac, we partner with down payment system providers coast to coast. And you can check out based on the state, Freddie Mac, based on the state that you live in, you can see the different programs out there. So as you can see, let's just go to Florida. Florida has 75 programs. Let's click on Get Started. And then I guess you just gotta create a profile to see the different programs out there. Now, the next one I wanna talk about is the different grants that are out there. So many states and cities offer grant programs for first-time home buyers. Check with your state housing finance authority or real estate agent for more. A local mortgage lender might also be able to point you towards free money. Here are some examples, okay? Now, I'll have the link for all the different programs in different states so you can click on it and check it out. But for this one, First Federal Bank of Kansas City. Let's check that one out. So First Federal Bank of Kansas City, what they have to offer is the program details: owner-occupied, single-family properties only, no minimum loan amount, one-time grant up to $5,000 for closing costs or down payment assistance. Minimum down payment as low as 3%. First-time home buyers must complete a HUD-approved home buyer education program offered by a local housing organization, okay? So just click on Apply Now. But that's with this specific bank in this specific area, so you can check it out. I know that was a lot of information, and I understand. So go back, look at it, check it out. So when it's time for you to buy a house, you can go get this free money. Now, if your credit score isn't good enough, we're offering a free program, and it's not going to be available forever, but we're offering a free program right now. And all you got to do is just pay for our credit monitoring so we can help you with your credit. Now, if you want to do that, the link is going to be pinned to the comments. Go check it out. Be a part of the free program. Get your credit score good enough so you can qualify for a home. Or if you just want better credit, we're here to help you out. So click the link in the description for the different programs. Click the link in the description to sign up for our free credit repair program to help you get that first home.